Hi, I'm Phil Grande at philsgang.com. You know, I've been in this market for over 55 years, and boy, do they make it complicated when it's really simple. What drives stocks up is money coming in from institutions. What drives stocks down is money coming out. Now, over the years, I could never understand why they would have a chart where you got green and red candlesticks. If you got a solid trend of money coming in, you only confuse investors by having red and green candlesticks. They're getting a mixed message. That didn't make any sense. Plus, they have all these stupid Chinese names to these things. The doji through your nose, the upside down wikiwako. Who cares? All I want to know is J.P. Morgan, the insurance companies, are they putting money consistently in Hess? So I designed my chart to follow the money instead of following the crap. And here it is, all green. So you're not going to, volatility is not going to knock you out. Volatility knocks you out. Now, here's the beautiful part. 80% of the people in the market lose money because they don't know how to sell short, because they don't have the confidence. Why would you? Same thing. If a stock's going down like this and it's red and green, who's got confidence? Nobody. But this will stay absolutely solid as long as the money coming out, the institutions pulling money out, stays solid. If it's not going to stay solid, it will turn yellow and warn you. Look at the simplicity. In, you buy. Short, you sell short. What the hell are all the colors for? And the stupid names. Hey, check this out. 10 days free. philsgang.com. My Pro 2 makes investing easy. Anybody can do it.